What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be replacing the battery, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it without losing any of your presets or resetting your computer, anything like that. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using today. It's called a computer memory keeper, and it's just a small thing that plugs into our cigarette lighter. This thing only costs about 10 bucks. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description as well to one of these. Our cigarette lighter on one end, and then on this end we just plug a new 9-volt battery into the end. It lights up that it has power right here. Go ahead and make sure your dome lights are all off. What I like to do is just plug it in. Then I'll just turn the ignition on through the window. You're also going to want to disconnect this little light bulb if you have one underneath your hood, because it's only got that one little 9-volt battery. It's not going to be able to power anything for too long. Then we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery mount. And each car is different, but usually has one or two things on the side or the top. You need to go ahead and loosen up so that we can actually remove the battery. Now that we've got that disconnected, we can move our attention to taking the leads off of the battery. So we're going to want to take the black one off first. This one's a side post battery. I want to disconnect the black one first, so then when we're touching the positive one, it doesn't have a full circuit, so there's no power really going through it. Then you go ahead and push that lead out of the way so it doesn't accidentally reconnect. Then we'll go ahead and loosen up this positive one. Push that out of the way. And we can drop our new one in. Then we'll go ahead and put our battery mount back down there. Tighten this down up good and tight. You don't want that battery jostling around or we'll get a bad connection. Now it's a good idea before we reconnect it to go ahead and clean up the ends of your terminals with a little wire brush or even some sandpaper, just to get them real clean so we'll have a nice connection when we reconnect our battery. And let's go ahead and reconnect it, and we're going to connect it in reverse order than when we disconnected it. Connect the positive first. Then we can go ahead and connect the negative side. I want to tighten these down good and tight. Alright, that should be it. Let's go ahead and try and start it up. Go ahead and disconnect our memory keeper. Now we should be able to start it up and we don't have to worry about our computer reset or anything. Alright guys, and that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my notifications for new ones. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, and I hope you got your car working. Bye.